What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we are coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Big milestone here on the channel. This is our 200th episode. Thank you for everybody who's been along for the journey. Really appreciate y'all. Love all the comments, love all the interactions. It's been a really, really fun community. We have some additional news about LACMA. They've come out with an opening date announcement. So the David Geffen Galleries will officially open on April 19th, 2026 with a ribbon cutting ceremony. And that's gonna kick off 2 weeks of priority access for LACMA members running from April 19th to May 3rd. The museum's youth membership program is going to give the youngsters some access on May 3rd, and May 4th is going to be whenever general population is going to be able to go in, check out the new facilities, and see what it's all about. You can reserve your tickets online right now. General admission tickets are about $30 and $25 for LA County residents. It's been a really fun project to be covering, but we're definitely hitting the home stretch with what's going to be going on the outside. On that note, it is P-Nuttier time for the co-pilot. Oh, there you go, bud. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super things. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Comment on the video for better, for worse. Thumbs up the video. All that goes a long ways. Keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there. Show you guys what's going down. Peace.